Hello and welcome back to another Future Doc House production. As you've noticed, I've had to remove my clinical microbiology lecture series off of YouTube, and I apologize in advance for any inconvenience that has caused. In the meantime, if you are interested, I'm writing my own review book. It's called Medicine: The Ultimate Guide, Clinical Microbiology Quick Review by yours truly. And if you would like a copy of this, I can just find me on Facebook, find me on Instagram, and I'll send you a copy for free. I am going to quickly put together a clinical review book and teach from that book. And you'll have good content coming soon, coming very shortly. Just be patient with me. I'm working as fast and as best as I possibly can. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience. Have a nice day.